Saturday, I'm gonna go to Ace and hopefully they have 2 of these. This is a blade bolt to go to my 36-inch Wright that I need to show you guys. It's a great mower. I haven't used it in a while because, long story short, I couldn't get one of these things off and I had to take it to like a mechanic, and it took 3 of us to try to like and we've finally got it, and I'm just not going to put these back on because I feel it's just going to do it the same. And hopefully Ace will have these. If not, I'm just going to call this place where I got the Wright and they can just ship it to me. Be back in a sec. I think we got a winner. My guy in there was super nice. He helped me out. And we're going to go home and try it out. There's the old one. And we're going to get this thing going, and hopefully Monday I will be out cutting with the Wright for the first time in I don't know how long. I'll see you guys at the shop.